Hello, myself Gayatri Vasudevani. Today's date 12th of September 2022 and today's topic is recursion in Java. So, in Java there are so many topics such as methods, loops and calling the loops. These are the very important part in Java. But the recursion concept is related with these methods and loops. So let's see what is the connection between the methods and loops. Actually, sometimes our program grows in size and we want to subtract the large of main method to the other methods. For instance, we are calculating the average number of pair. We can use the method to avoid the repeating the logic. So we are using these methods instead of repeating the logic. Suppose we want to print the hello for 10 times. So in that case, what happen? We have to use the println SOP statement 10 times. But we can make the one method. We can make the one method and we can execute that method 10 times so that we can obtain the any statement 10 times. But in this recursion concept, also the one another concept is loop. So instead of using methods, that program can be minimized by using the loops like for loop, while loop, etc. Now the recursion method comes into the picture. What happens in this recursion? In recursion, we are not using any kind of loop like no for loop, no while loop, no any kind of loop. Here we have to use only the methods calling, and by using the method callings and conditional statement like if, we can execute the program. Suppose we are going to perform the program of pattern, then in that any kind of pattern, as we know the logic, based on that logic, instead of using the loops, we can do that program by using if else by using if else, and in that if statement we have to give the increment to the particular variable which we are using over there, as well as we have to call that we have to call that if statement again and again. So by using that, the pattern is drawn. That is called the recursion. Recursion is quite tricky, but in recursion we cannot use the loop statements for loop or while loop. Here we have to use only and only the method calling. This is about the recursion. That's it. Thank you.